Rome, which means Roman Catholic Church. Rome did something to Russia, and that's why Russia turned to be a beast. In Rome, during the pre-17th, when Lenin was a leader, when Lenin was a leader in Rome, something happened. Rome went to Russia. They killed the Russians. They destroyed the Russians. They raped their women. They raped their daughters. They sodomized their sons. They sodomized their husband. They took their food. They took their home. Bababulala, barep babafaz bakona, amantombazana, Russians, ngobinda webandayo, pre-Lenin, babaleka bangene emahlathini, lalela, and Rome stole the gold of Russia. Stole what? Rome stole the gold of Russia. You understand? When Rome stole the gold of Russia, Russia walimala. And the world thought, Russia is finished. That Russia is a bear, and the bear will hide for months without food, what hunger. But when it comes out, the teeth are sharp, the claws are sharp. Batshela ukuthi Russia iphelile ngayo. Lalela, ama-Russian, ama-devamina, the beard were growing, izinwele namazipho. The world underestimated them, but they are lama-proxy, lama-Russian, they are useless. Kanti bebangazi ukuthi when they ran away from their home, they went to hibernate, they went to hide. When they came out with atomic bombs. When a bear will hibernate, so still good feel. And nobody will say, no, there's no more bear. No. That's why when it see the sea creature, what do you call it, the black and white thing? At the sea, penguin, thank you. Penguin, thank you. You're right, that's why he bear, and I want penguin in Lambile. A man's in bear with the lens and the bear. And did you know what you'll never outrun a bear? You see, I heard that. And did you know the anger of a bear? Nobody can stand it. You understand? That's why he bear and alquatide, nyachela, it's hiding yasuga, and I'm a close walk on. When it see the prey being a predator, I give up in a figure, especially Lambile. You must sing a penguin, Babanga Boni bear, Zika pastor, they go deep into the sea, Babamba fish, when they're hungry, they're dangerous. So again, Russia was hibernating, and the world thought Russia is destroyed. Naipumi Russia, Guapuma, or Vladimir Putin. Ah, yeah.